Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure the watch is awake and unlocked so taps register immediately. Once done, remove any screen cover or gloves that might block gestures. If your Apple Watch is paired, keep the iPhone nearby with Bluetooth on to speed status refresh. Now swipe up from the bottom of the watch face to open Control Center and spot the airplane icon. That icon shows current state and is the control we'll use to toggle airplane mode off. Tap the airplane icon once to turn airplane mode off. You should see the icon change color or fade, indicating a state change. Give the watch a few seconds so its radios restart. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular need time to reinitialize. If your watch supports cellular, look for the green cellular dots. Otherwise, check that the phone icon or Wi-Fi status returns. Make sure to press firmly enough for the touchscreen to register, but avoid force presses that trigger other menus. After toggling off, verify connectivity by checking notifications and health sync. If things look normal, you're done. If radios don't reconnect, try a force restart by holding the side button and digital crown for about 10 seconds until the Apple logo appears. If that fails, open the iPhone Watch app and toggle airplane mode from My Watch General or update Watch OS to fix known bugs. Finally, as a last resort, unpair and repair the watch. That restores network settings without losing paired backups.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.